Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Nationstar mortgage account. So if you want to log in Nationstar mortgage account, first of all launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link, simply press enter. If you do not want to type in this link, what you can do is simply go to new tab, click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in Nationstar mortgage account login, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various results over here. Click on the link provided by velma.com. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Nationstar mortgage. What you have to do is enter your username and password and you'll be able to log into your account. So what you have to do is click on the field of username and provide the username over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option, forgot your username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Nationstar mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.